In today's video, I'm going to teach you create product variants in Shopify. Shopify tutorial. If you're selling different versions of the same product, like multiple sizes or colors, variants are how you keep everything organized, priced correctly, and easy for customers to choose. Think of variants as individual choices that live under one product, so you can track each option's price, weight, and inventory separately while keeping a single clean product page. Open your product in the Shopify product editor and scroll down to the variants section. If you've already added options such as size or color, Shopify will automatically generate the full list of combinations for you. That means if you entered small, medium, large undersize, and black and navy undercolor, you'll instantly see every matching pair. If you don't see any options yet, click Add Options to get started. Give each option a clear, shopper-friendly name, like size or color, then enter the values you offer. Use consistent spelling and capitalization, so your storefront looks polished and customers can filter quickly. Each variant acts like its own mini listing. This gives you complete control. If your XXL size costs more to produce, set a higher price for that specific variant without touching the rest. You can also adjust the weight here so shipping rates stay accurate, and manage stock counts so you don't oversell. Clear pricing and correct inventory help reduce customer confusion and support your margins. Here's a pro move that boosts conversions. Click the image icon next to a variant to assign a photo that matches it. When a shopper selects navy blue, the main product image will automatically swap to that exact color. Use high-quality photos and keep angles and lighting consistent across variants, so customers can compare options confidently and know exactly what they're buying. If you're working with a large list, don't edit variants one by one. Select the entire group and use the Actions menu to update prices, weights, or inventory all at once. Bulk edits save time and help you apply uniform changes across many options. Before you wrap up, review the grid to confirm your updates, then click Save so everything goes live. Organized variants lead to a smoother checkout and fewer returns. Shoppers can quickly find their preferred size or color, see the right images and prices, and add the correct item to the cart without friction. With these steps, your product page stays tidy, your back end stays accurate, and your store is ready for every customer's preference.